Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open split screen on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is open two apps that we want to have at the same time. So let's say I'm gonna choose messages and the phone app. Now over here I can go to the background apps, and now I can tap on the arrow over here next to the app icon. Sorry, one more time. There we go. So now I can see those options and I can choose split tap. So now this app will be seen at the top, and now I need to select another app that will be used for the split screen. So I'm gonna choose, of course, messages. And as you can see right now, I have two apps opened at the same time, and I can use both of them if needed. If you later on decide to end the split screen, if you want to return to the normal mode, then in the middle over here you have this white line, and you can simply drag and drop it to the bottom in order to open one app or another. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.